All right. We're talking about question 2, but we're going to start with question 1 because you need to take the answer from 1a in order to solve question 2. Okay, so make sure you have an answer for question 1a before you go ahead and take a look at question 2. So it says, after using some of the honey she collected for baking, Lila found out that she had only 3/4 of a gallon of honey left. How much honey did she use for baking? Support your answer using a diagram, numbers, and words. So essentially what we're saying right here is we're saying that we don't know how much honey she used. She used some of the honey. We don't know how much. We know that she has 3/4 of a gallon of honey left. And whatever your answer was to question 1, well, that's how much honey she had to start out with. So to me, it makes the most sense to go ahead and take that answer from right here. So let's go ahead and take a look at our answer and maybe put that into a tape diagram. Okay, so the answer is however much honey that they have. Okay, and so ooh, that was really kind of messy. Let's see if I can't do a better job of that tape diagram. Okay, so if we're going to take that answer and we're going to break the answer into 2 parts. We're going to break the answer into some, because she used some honey, and we don't know how much that is. And then we're going to break, so this is what she used some, and then she had 3/4 of a gallon of honey left. So there's 3/4 left. Okay, so I really am going to have to break that away. Well, let's take a look at that. Okay, so if I have 8, and I break that tape diagram into 2 pieces, and I have 5 over here, and I have some over here. Well, how do I figure out that missing piece? Well, you would say, well, if you have 8, Mrs. Z, you can take away 5, and you've got 3 left. So that piece over there has to be 3. Well, can you apply that same strategy over here? If you've got an amount here and you know that this part is 3/4, can you use your known total and can you use your known part to figure out that answer? Okay. The other part of our question was to use a diagram, and tape diagram would be great. A number sentence like this would be great numbers, but what would words look like? So you might say, I knew how much honey I had. And you could fill in however much you had in that part. Okay. What did you do? Okay, talk about what math did you do? Did you add, did you subtract, did you multiply, did you divide? Did you have to rename any of the units in order to do that math? How did you decide what units to rename? All of those sorts of things would go into your explanation. Good luck.